Birds in conversation. What do the birds talk about across the trees? Are their conversations as meaningless as ours throughout everyday life? How about those young ones over there, the two drifters gliding over dark rooftops and into the fading sunset? Do they contemplate life and talk of a shared aspiration to dream? Perhaps they do, but I couldn't tell you. I simply hear scattered singing from the winged ones in their nest houses amid the trees, exhausted and unwilling to fly. They beckon through the branches until they retire for the evening.